take a bath in one big tub with soap all over. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub? Yep.
When do we scrub, Zach?
Huh?
When do we scrub ourselves?
In a bath.
Mm-hmm.
They hang their towels on the wall.
Listen to Zach's book.
And find
It's beautiful.
Pajamas, big and small. With some on
Beautiful.
top and some beneath. They brush and brush and brush their teeth. And when the moon is on the rise and it was
Exercise.
Yeah. And down once more, but not so fast. They run their way to bed.
She's upset that she hurt you.
The day
Good.
is done. They say good night, and somebody turned off the light.
Beautiful, Zach. Shalva, where's the poo book? I know Zach would...
The moon is high, the sea is deep. They walk and walk and walk to sleep.
Beautiful, Zach. I love it.
Good night.
Shalva, where's the poo book? Zach likes to read that book to you, and you like to hear that book. Do you know where it is? Pooh and Piglet?
Oh,
Where?
That's funny. My author of my book is named Pooh and Piglet.
Oh, that's the title of your book, too?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you.